I'm a brewhead. Hi, I'm John. I'm a brewhead. Hi, I'm Mark. Brewhead.
Chris, I'm a brewhead.
Christening the bottle opener. Thanks to Jim and his lathe and teaching me how to do this. BrewHead.
Yeah. I'm John. I'm a brewhead, and we're busting the cherry on this brand new bottle opener.
Nice.
There we go.
So you're gonna make a little stubby, huh?
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
Yeah.
Before you go to the next lower grip, you all these circular marks around. Go this way. Take those off.
Yeah. Like this. One side of it. Rubber?
Monday.
Sure.
What's going on, Mark?
Hi, I'm Mark. Brewhead. Hi, I'm John. I'm a brewhead.
Nice.
What's it? What's it?
Yeah.
The moose? The teeny?
BrewHeads and woodworking.
Nice.
Yeah, that's why.
What's going on, John?
Having a Maybach.
Nice.
Just
Nice.
feeling my wood over here.
Yeah.
Nice. Show them your handle. What do you got to do to that yet?
I gotta buff it out,
Got to polish it?
polish the wood, and then I gotta put some metal in here for the actual bottle opener part.
Nice. And that's Jim, the host. Professional woodworker.
One step above a hack.
Chris, I'm a brewhead.
Christening the bottle opener. Thanks to Jim and his lathe and teaching me how to do this. BrewHead.
Yeah!
Woo-hoo! Look at that! Woohoo! I bet that one tastes extra good.
Heck yeah, it does. Goose Island.
Nice. Cheers. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Hells to the yeah.
I'm backwards. Actually,
Boom.
I started out on the thin end.
Look at those.
Extra shiny.
Hell yeah. Good job, guys.
Thank you.
Barbecue. Hell you got there?
What is it?
Wisconsin brews.
Nugget top and Sunset. Who by who?
You're asking him to read it?
Yeah. I thought he knew.
Find us on Facebook. I forget.
But they're Wisconsin.
Government warning. Oh, that's not what you want. This all Wisconsin ale is loaded with Cascade hops harvested from our family farm.
Boom.
Cool.
There you go.
Thanks.
Oops, sorry.
Is that, it's not made in Neosho, is it? There's a hop
Brewed
farm
and
in
bottled
Neosho.
by House of Brews for the Hop Garden, Bellyville, Wisconsin. I'm sure this is from the same place.
These are good.
Jim is now a beef stick holding beer.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, minute.
Woo!
All right.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice tapper handle. Nice
Nice.
shorty little stubby.
Cheers.
Prost.
Now that's a beer. A root beer.
Nice.
I like that. They have a tea beer. Did my dad tell you about the tea beer
Oh,
that we had?
OG. They made a few tea beers. They had that OG, which is like green tea beer.
This one I really liked, whatever
Oh,
it was. No, it was an
horrible.
elf. It was something elf.
That OG is horrible.
It was some elf beer. That was awesome. I liked it.
You know, light too?
this going on
Alright,
the
he's
internet or
testing
what?
his wood out on the
Wait.
cream ale.
I'm John, I'm a brewhead, and we're busting the cherry on his brand new bottle opener.
Nice.
On
There
the
we
cream
go.
ale.
Wow, that worked good.
Nice.
Ooh. That tastes extra good too,
That
don't
was
it?
delicious.
How's that busted cherry taste?
Hey now.
I like to chase on a fresh cherry.
Whoa. Look at him handle that, yeah.
Sick bastards.
You can tell he's a concealed carry.
Anybody else? Jeff?
Yes, sir. I'm right here. Oh, yeah.
Joe?
Look at that.
No.
He pours as good as he opens.
I don't know where it was.
Nice. Ooh, smell that. Mm.
Smell that. It's not smell-o-vision.
Did we get you? Uh-oh. There's the smell of vision.